This one is just right.
Put the batteries on the torch.
Your mommy eat like this.
It seems to be working. Thank you,
Your
Wendy.
mommy eat like this.
The torch is working,
So high.
which means they can go to Scoop's house to search for the rustler.
Don't remove la.
But how do you do that?
Look,
Don't remove la because my hair mixy.
you look.
I say don't remove.
That's how the rustler got into the house. Today, I'm going
Eat
to
later
ask
hungry.
them, can